meteorologist Shay Ryan with an update on our local forecast. We do have a lot of cloud cover today and a lot of rain off and on. So don't forget those umbrellas for sure. You're probably used to it after the wetness that we've had the last few days. But again, we're going to have quite a few showers and storms off and on throughout the day. Maybe a few peaks of sunshine from time to time. Our warmest temperature will be in the mid, maybe the upper 80s in some isolated spots. But again, with all this cloud cover and rain, certainly we're going to see below average temperatures. And through the weekend, the rain coverage comes down just a little bit each day. I wouldn't say it's too dramatic, but I do think that on Sunday it will be at least a little bit drier and warmer as a result of more sunshine throughout the day.